Hey, ready? 1, 2.
Trails on fleek.
1, 2.
Just watch out because they're in there.
Yeah, I saw they take off. Ooh! That would be the best. I wish I would get that on video.
Alright guys, girl, look over here. 1, 2.
Sit down.
Like that? Yeah. Man, that looks fire, bro.
Yeah. I wasn't able to paint for a while, but I'm starting to. Here.
Alrighty. Be like, ah! Alright, 1, 2, 3. Huh? 1. Yeah. Right here. I'll take a picture of you guys with the rescue over here.
Oh, okay.
Damn, this thing is gonna look dope. Oof.
Yo.
Alright. Alright, look over here. You could do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's not a bad idea at all. Hey. Alright, ready? 1, 2.
Can you see what this is?
Yeah, I can see you like that. Okay, one more.
Your pictures are so nice.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So what's up, bro? How you doing, bro?
Great, man. I'm great.
Doing great?
I'm good.
Oh, sit down and everything. Get this style, you know what I'm talking about? Oh, that looks fire, bro. Stay there.
We don't all look alike. Even though we got these damn people down here.